Welcome, guys, to my first episode on this channel, or my first video on this channel. And today I'm going to be creating a new series called MC Talk Programming. Basically, in this series, I'm going to create plugins for my custom server that I'm going to be publishing not very soon. If you want to check the updates, follow me on Twitter. I am going to leave a link in the description. Do not worry, but you can still pass and learn something from this video, even if you don't subscribe or follow me on Twitter. So today's topic is, you know how you like when you go inside Hypixel and you like play a video game, not video game, fuck, a minigame. Basically, you want to leave the minigame and you type slash lobby or slash hub. Now we want to replicate that, and because doing slash hub and slash lobby is kind of cool, right? So that's what we're going to be replicating. We're going to teleport the player when the player types in the chat slash hub, right? I already have created a new class called command executor. Make sure it no, I have created a class called hub command. Make sure it implements command executor, sorry, and make sure has this public boolean on command. I suggest copy the settings because it will be much easier to follow the tutorial, and make sure it returns true. Alright, let's get into the coding. Now, first of all, we gotta check if the sender is a player, because we cannot teleport consoles, right? And that would be weird and buggy. I'm sorry, I got a message. Alright, I fixed my phone, no notifications ever. I mean, during this video. But as I said, suggest least strong copy the settings, and we want to check if the sender is a player. Now, how we do that is if the sender is an instance of a player, sender, instance of a player, uh, got a sure to make a player variable. Player is equal to player sender, right? I think we can make this also work. Uh, or oh yeah, no, we can. I'm sorry. Uh, uh, I know this is not kind of working, I guess. Uh, but we are checking if the sender is a player, or if better, actually, if the sender is not an instance of a player, then we are going to execute this code sender dot send message, and inside it is going to be something like, I don't know, you cannot execute this command since you are not a player, something. I know this is going to make a null pointer exception, but who cares, it's just a tutorial. Do not bother that. Anyway, we checked if the sender is a player. Now we gotta get the name of the command. How do that? If cmd.getName equals ignore case, and inside we want to type in the name of our command. For our example, it is going to be hub. Easy. Now, if the command name is hub, we want to execute this code. Right, what we are going to do actually. First of all, we need to get the location. And how to get the location is first we need to create a world variable called something that you want. I'm going to call it cookie. Cookie. Alright. World cookie is equal to bucket dot get world, And inside you want to type in the world's name. For my example, it's lobby. Alright, never mind. Now we want to get the location, actual location that the player is going to teleport. How you create that is by a location. Let's call it lobby. Let's call the location lobby is equal to bucket. No bucket. It's actually a new location, and inside you want to type in the variable cookie. Uh, and inside all, and after that you want to type in the codes. And my example is 292.11.1920. You can also store player's rotation. For my example, it's minus 180 and 0. Now we want to teleport the player to that location. And how we do that is player dot, sorry, teleport. And inside we want to get the actual variable. In our case, it is lobby. Lobby. All right. Put a semicolon. Let's say you want a confirmation message after the player has teleported. It's not hard, it's player dot send message. And let's say I think Aqua is kind of like cool. Uh, let's say you have been tele- teleport- teleported. You have been teleported. Easy and simple. Anyway, we got our command, and I hope everything actually works. But before we actually test, we need to get the actual command. So how we do that is get command, and inside is going to be hub, our name of the command, and dot set execute. And inside we want to create a new, and here we want to get the name of our class where the command is stored. In my case, it's hub command. You can call your classes whatever you want. It's very cool, but who cares? You're just here for the tutorial. Now you gotta store it into your plugin.yml file. You gotta do a hub and a colon, then a description. Teleports you to the hub, and a usage, and our usage is going to be slash hub. And what else? Aliases, yes, aliases. You can create multiple aliases. For example, when I type lobby slash lobby, it is going to do the same thing as slash hub. If I type slash spawn, let's say, or slash l, something like that. So I hope this actually works, and save all, build, artifacts, build, and I'll see you in game. Alright, I'm now inside Minecraft, inside my test plugin server, and if I type in slash hub, it is going to create null pointer exception. But if I type slash hub here in the chat, you have been teleported. That is very cool. But let's move on the next command. Alright, so let's say you have multiple worlds. Now you want like in Hypixel slash L and then the minigame named lobby. It's not that hard. Just need to make a few patches. For example, slash L. Let's say slash L Skywars. Yeah, I have Skywars in my MC Tall server. How you do that is basically not very hard. Wait, now if args 0. Wait, I think it's args.0. Wait, hold a second. Oh yes, I'm very sorry. It was actually if args.0. I was supposed to type them inside the args, and then the square brackets arg0 dot equals ignore case, and let's say, oh wait, w key is fine. Inside is going to be Skywars, because that's my world's name. So basically, what we're doing here, if the arguments after the hub are is Skywars, then we want to execute this code. So now we gotta do everything we did in the past. So basically world, now I'm going to call it sky, no wait, sky, yes, is equal to bucket dot get world, and inside you want to get your world's name, and in my case it's Skywars. Wait, Skywars. Skywars. Right. Anyway, you gotta make a new location. Well, I'm going to call it sky w something is equal to new location, and inside the world's name, sky, and the coordinates. Now I have them stored here. It's 1, 29, 29, and 2. All right. No rotation. I forgot about. But in theory, if we typed in the chat slash Skywars, it is going to teleport us to the Skywars world. Oh yeah, I forgot to player dot teleport and inside sky. All right, and let's send a confirmation message. Send message. Aqua again. You have been teleported to the Skywars world. Alright, so basically what we are doing is checking if the arguments after hub are Skywars, sorry. Then we are creating a variable called sky and the world's name. We are creating a new location variable called sky w, which is going to create a new location. Here is our world's name, and here are the coordinates. And we want to teleport our player to the location and send a confirmation message. One quick thing, you need to do return true. And if I'm not kidding, you need to do if args dot length equal equal to 0, and inside we want to get this like this. Yes, yes, no, okay. So basically what I did right here is if checking if the argument length is 0, so basically the hub. I know this may sound weird, but even though like we are checking if the arguments are 0 and here are 0, just don't mind it. It's how I do it. And then we want to stop the code, so basically we are preventing ourselves from getting an error. I mean, if you don't do this, you are going to execute the code and get an error. It's just not nice. Alright, I'm now inside the Minecraft, not the Minecraft, I'm inside Minecraft. And in theory, if we do like slash hub or slash l skywars, we are going to get teleported to the Skywars world. Uh, I'm sorry. You don't need to make another commands here. That I just forgot that I don't need to do that. You can delete that, or otherwise it's just going to take up space. I'm sorry about that. It's just a simple mistake. But anyway, I hope you liked the video. Wait, I hope you liked the video. and see ya in my next video. Post comments if you don't understand something or if I made a mistake. I'm not that good at Java. I started coding a few months ago, and I'm sorry if my voice kind of tripped, like uh, it was stopping for a second and shit. Anyway, I hope you like the tutorial. Like, share, and subscribe. See ya.